Friends, today we are going to learn different concept under the partnership form. Now, here capital is divided into two categories, and we our partnership forms follow any one method to give the effects of the capital in their balance sheet that we are going to learn today. The methods of capital accounts. Now, friends, there are two methods of the capital account. It means we are recording capital in our balance sheet liability side. Now, how it will be recorded, whether it is fixed capital method or fluctuating capital method, that we are going to discuss today. So here, amount of cash or kind brought in by the partner to manage business activities is termed as a capital. The person, the partners who brought the money, who brought the cash, who brought the kind for business purpose, for business activity purpose, it is called as a capital. The partner maintain and operate some method of capital. Now there are two methods are there. The two methods of the capital. First method, fixed capital method, and second one, fluctuating capital method. Fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Now, what do you mean by fixed capital method? What do you mean by fluctuating capital method that we are going to discuss? Then we are going to discuss about what will be the treatment, how we will show fixed capital method capital, how we will show capital by using fluctuating capital method in our final account that we are going to discuss. Now, fixed capital method. Now, if you see in our video or in front of the monitor, fixed capital method they are providing. In this method of capital of a partner remains same, amount of capital of partner remains same at the end of the financial year. It means fixed capital. Suppose A has brought 10,000 rupees as a capital. Now 10,000 amount, it is fixed throughout the financial year. Whole year we have to keep 10,000 amount. There is no change. B has brought 20,000. C has brought 30,000. A brought 10,000. B brought 20,000. C brought 30,000. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Three partners brought the capital. Now such capital we will record it, and throughout the financial year we will keep as it is. We will not do any kind of change in this particular amount. A's capital 10,000, B's capital 20,000, and C's capital 30,000. So it is called as a fixed capital method. There is no addition, there is no subtraction from capital during the financial year. When this method is adopted, partners open a new account, and name of the account is called as a current account, and all our related capital adjustments are solved through current account. Whenever they implement fixed capital method, that time partnership firm adopt method, and this method is called as a current account, they will open the current account. When they will open the current account, whenever the fixed capital method implemented. Now, under current account, what kind of transactions recorded? Now, drawing. Drawing is a personal expenses of partner. Interest on drawing also one of the
काय नाही.
personal expenses of the partner. Then interest on capital, partner's salary, commission, then brokerage, share of profit and losses recorded to in the current account. It means under fixed capital method, partnership firm prepare separate current account and recorded all kinds of expenses which are related to the partners. So whenever this particular current account they prepare, the current account look like this. Under fixed capital method, partners current account, partner X, partner Y, debit side. Credit side also partner X, partner Y, credit side. Now, if you see that interest on capital, salary to the partner, commission to the partner will be recorded. Share of net profit of the partner also recorded. Then any expenses of the partners, drawing, interest on drawing, and any loss on the partnership firm that also share by partner, it is recorded debit side and we will find out the balance carried out. And this particular partners current account, they partnership firm prepare whenever they adopt fixed capital method. These things you have to keep in mind. Whatever amount received from partnership firm, it is recorded credit side. Whatever expenses created by the partner, it is recorded debit side. Is interest on capital, it is received. Salary also received. Commission also received. Profit also received. So whatever amount received by partner from partnership firm, it is credited to the partner's current account. And whatever amount incurred as expenses, it is debited. Drawing is a personal expense of the partner, it is debited. Interest on drawing, it is also interest which is on personal expenses, also recorded debit side. Loss loss share by partner under partnership firm. Partnership firm suffer losses. The loss share by partner, that put a loss also recorded debit side. The losses and expenses debited, and whatever amount of income received, it is credited. The partner's current account, we will record it. When we recorded partner's current account, whenever we adopt fixed capital method, and whatever balance come, that will be recorded in partner's capital account. And any additional capital brought by partner, it is recorded by cash or bank. Additional capital credit side, these things you have to keep in mind. Now these are fixed capital method, and we will record it these kinds of ledger. Fixed capital method, partners current account, and current account, we will record it all kinds of balances. This particular ledger we will prepare. Sometime they may be asked the question, prepare partners current account by using fixed capital method. So whenever we have to prepare the partner's final account, that time we will first prepare partner's current account and we will find out the balancing figure of the each and every partner, and that will be used. while recording the capital and the current account balance in our balance sheet liability side. So these things you have to keep in mind. Now friends, now we will discuss the next method, and next method is fluctuating capital method. Next method is fluctuate means what? Fluctuate word means what? The fluctuating means up and down. Capital may be increase, capital may be decrease. It is called fluctuate. Now, fluctuating capital method, amount of capital balance changes every year. Every year, capital balances changes. It is called as fluctuating capital method. In this method, partner's current account is not open. Under fluctuating capital method, partner's current account is not open. Under fixed capital method, partner's current account is open. These things you have to keep in mind. Sometimes they will be asked in objective. Hence, all kinds of all kinds of uh, expenses, all kinds of incomes, whatever we have to solve, we have to put through capital account. Under fluctuating capital method, we will prepare capital account ledger, and these are some adjustments related to the capital account. What we have to write: opening balance of the capital, additional capital brought in by partner in cash or kind, sometime salary or commission payable to partner, salary paid, commission paid, interest also paid on capital, drawing, then any amount of interest on drawing, sometime any kind of amount of withdrawal of the capital by the partner, or any kind of division and transfer net disposal profit or net adjustable losses of the firm, also recorded in capital account. In fixed capital method, we will prepare current account, and whatever expenses are there, that we have to record it in debit side. Whatever incomes are there related to the partners, we will record it partners current account credit side. Same expenses and same incomes we will record it in the capital account ledger. This is the difference. In fixed capital method, we will prepare partners current account. Fluctuating capital method, we will not prepare partners current account. We will prepare capital account. In fixed capital method, two accounts we have to prepare: partners current account and capital account. But in fluctuating capital method, we will prepare only capital account. Only capital account. If you see that credit side, cash, cash brought by partner, credited; interest received by partner on capital, credited; salary received by partner, credited; profit received by partner, credited. What debited? Personal expenses, drawing. Interest on drawing is expenses. Loss on business also debited. The expenses debited, income credited, and we will get the balance carried down. And this balance carried down we will use while preparing balance sheet. We will record it capital balances, liability side. You know that you studied it from 12 standards, 11th standard also. You know that the capital recorded, liability side, capital account. But before that, before recording capital balances, you should know about how to prepare capital account ledger. When we prepare capital account ledger, whenever we will use fluctuating capital method. When we prepare the partner's current account, whenever we apply fixed capital method. I hope you understood. Sometime in our question paper, they may be asked short note, write short note, fixed capital method, fluctuating capital method. They can ask the 5 marks short note. They can ask the 10 marks big question. Discuss fixed capital and fluctuating capital. Such kind of question may become in your exam. You should know about how to write the answers. Answers are ready. Whatever lectures is there, I recorded and uploaded in our YouTube. You have to see again, repeat again the lecture, see the lectures, write the notes, whatever we provided. Because writing work is very important. Maybe next to next lectures we will start the big problems. You should know about basic things about how to prepare fixed capital, fluctuating capital, how to prepare the current account ledger, how to prepare the capital account. The entire thing you should know. You can easily solve any kind of partnership file account problem. I hope you understood the method. That methods are fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Do you have any doubt? You can put in chat box and you can ask. Yes, Sarika Gore, you are raised the hand. Any doubt? Unmute yourself and ask the question. Sarika Gore, if you have the doubt, unmute yourself and ask the question. Okay, now no one raised the question. That's why we will move further and we will discuss further part. No need to write. Whenever you see the YouTube channel, that time you will get the entire theory part and this particular capital account also. Everything you will get on YouTube. Now, friends, whenever we have to prepare trading account, what kinds of items recorded. Generally, you know about these kinds of items. Trading account for the year ended. Trading account debit side we will record it direct expenses, and credit side we will record it direct income. Direct expenses, direct income. So these things you have to keep in mind what we will record it. So what kinds of expenses are there? Opening stock, debit side, purchases, less written outward. So sometimes purchase return is there, carriage inward, freight, dock charges, custom duty, productive wages. Only wages also recorded debits. Manufacturing wages, wages and salaries, import duty, coal, coke, gas, motive power, oil, then water, grease, royalty on purchase, royalty on production, primary packing charges, factory lighting, heating, then factory rent and rates, factory insurance, works manager salary. These are the all expenses. These are expenses are called as a direct expenses. And it is recorded debit side. You know that you are studied in 11th standard and 12th standard also. It is not a new. But we have to do the revision. Whenever we have to solve the problem, we should know about at least what kind of items are there. Then credit side, sales. From this sales we will deduct it, return inward or sales return, and we will record some items that are not belong to the trading account. Goods lost by fire, goods lost by thief, goods distributed as a free samples, goods lost in accident, goods withdrawn by partner, closing stock. And after that we will close trading account, and we will get what we will get. We will get gross profit. Balancing figure will be gross profit, and sometime we will suffer gross loss, gross profit or gross loss. Now friends, what you have to do, whatever this particular trading account is there, this trading account also you have to write on your notebook. Okay, it is a theoretical part. What you have to write, first of all, you have to write first, that you have to keep in mind what you should write now. You have to write the types of capital. Types of capital, in that two types of capital is there: fixed capital and fluctuating capital. You have to write in your notebook fixed capital, this particular theoretical lines. 5 lines are there that you have to write. Then you have to prepare partners capital account ledger. After that, what you have to do? You have to move to fluctuating. You have to move to the partners current account. Then you have to write these all the points, because sometimes they may be asked the short note. Partners, write short note on partners current account. So you should know about the how we will write these things. You have to write. Then after that you have to prepare partners current account ledger. After preparing ledger, then what you have to do, you have to write fluctuating capital method. And in this fluctuating capital method, Friends, this particular fluctuating capital method, you have to write these particular notes. The 7 points you have to write. It means automatically your short note will cover, and sometimes then you can ask the short note, write short note on fluctuating capital method. That time you can easily write. Then you have to prepare this ledger capital account, and it is related to the fluctuating capital method. After writing this for the ledger, then you have to prepare what? You have to prepare the trading account. Trading account ledger you have to prepare. And this ledger is very simple. You know that this particular ledger you have to prepare. After this, after preparing this particular ledger, then we will move further, then profit and loss account and balance. Now, uh, uh, you have a good time. Whatever we have discussed, I will I will upload it on YouTube. You have to see the YouTube channel and write the all notes. See that if I give this particular notes in the PDF form, you will not study. Some students not study because PDF form on inside the mobile phone, and video if it is there, then my voice and active live voice is there. So at least you should understand what we have to write. So listening and writing activity is very important. Listening, you without listening and writing, you can't understand our account. After taking account, then we will discuss account and we will discuss balance. But now already
त्या टपावर बस तू म्हणजे चांगलं वाटत त्या ह्याच्यावर पाटावर ते वही दिसते वही तुझ्या पुढे घे मोबाईलच्या
Mr. Yogi mean unmute yourself. Okay, so you can easily write this whatever I have given. Now I suggested you that uh, you have to write your proper name on Zoom app profile. You have to go to the Zoom app and change the profile, and you have to write the proper name, your name. Suppose any name, Sarika Gore is there. Sarika Gore, SYBCom. I want that particular sentence. So in setting, you have to go to the profile and change the your name, write full name, your name and surname, and with SYBCom. Because what happened, so whenever I will see here, many students names are not mentioned here, only Chaya, they say Snehal Malekar, Vishar Kam Male, Pranali Shinde. And one thing you have to keep in mind, if you on your video, automatically your attendance will be scanned automatically. If you on your video and mute yourself and on your video, automatically your attendance will scan. And if you are not on your video, so your attendance will not be considered. These things you have to keep in mind. Every lecture you should on your video, and this is very good for you because I also see that you, whether you are in study mode or you are just only Zoom meeting is on and you are doing some other things. These things will not be happen, and these things I will not tolerate. You should come with study mode. That you have to keep in mind. Now, if you want attendance in scan mode, you have to on your video, automatically scanner activate, and your attendance will save in my computer folder. These things you have to keep in mind, and whatever I will provide it, that you have to update. One thing I want to share with you, your exam also conduct by university in online mode. These things you have to keep in mind. लेक्चर ऑनलाईन आहेत, एक्झाम सुद्धा ऑनलाईन होणार आहेत. तयारी स्टार्ट करा. You have to study, otherwise it is very difficult. They will announce the exam and तुम्ही बोला काहीच झालं नाही माझं अजून. असं झालं नाही पाहिजे. तर एक्झाम तुमच्या ऑनलाईन होणार आहे, हे मी तुम्हाला सांगतो, टीचर म्हणून सांगतो. तुम्ही बोलला का कॉलेजला जाऊन एक्झाम द्यावी लागेल, असं आता नाही. तुमची एक्झाम सुद्धा जशा टीवायच्या एक्झाम ऑनलाईन ठरवल्यात, तशा तुमच्या एक्झाम सुद्धा ऑनलाईनच होणार आहेत. तुम्ही ज्या आहेत ते नोट्स पूर्णपणे क्लिअर करा. मी काही तुमचे नोट्स चेक करायला येणार नाही. फक्त एक करा, तुमच्या झूम ॲपच्या सेटिंगच्या प्रोफाईलमध्ये जा, तुमचं पूर्ण नाव लिहा. पूर्ण नाव म्हणजे तुमचं नाव आणि आडनाव, आणि बाजूला SYBCom. ज्या वेळेस तुम्ही एंटर व्हाल तर मला समजेल का हा विद्यार्थी ह्या नावाचा आणि SYBComचा आहे. हे सेव्ह करून ठेवा प्रोफाईलमध्ये, कारण खूप लोकांची नावं तिथे दिसत नाही. तर नाव सुद्धा तुमचं स्कॅन होईल, तुमचा चेहरा सुद्धा स्कॅन होईल, तुमची अटेंडन्स तुमचा पुरावा राहील. नाहीतर कॉलेज हे अटेंडन्स, आपण कॉलेजला यायचं तर कोण पण तुमची सिग्नेचर करायचं, तर असं इथे होऊ शकणार नाही. प्रॉक्सी अटेंडन्स होऊ शकणार नाही. तर तेवढं लक्षात ठेवा. मी काय 6:15ला लेक्चर घेतलं नाही, कारण बिकॉज ऑफ द माझ्या घरी सुद्धा प्रॉब्लेम होते, कारण मला लॅपटॉप मिळत नव्हता. माझा लॅपटॉप माझ्या रिलेटिव्हने घेऊन गेले होते, त्यामुळे मला लॅपटॉप आता मिळाला, म्हणून मी लेक्चर घेतलं. पण आता एक लेक्चर घेतल्यानंतर अजून एक लेक्चर मला घ्यायचं आहे. पण काय, तुम्ही ते नोट्स लिहून काढा, नाही तर नुसतं मी पुढे पुढे शिकवत राहणार. तर मी आता हा जो आपला व्हिडिओ आहे यूट्यूबवरती अपलोड करतो. मग तुम्ही यूट्यूबच्या माध्यमातून ते सर्व नोट्स लिहून काढा. काय काय मी सांगितलं होतं, what you have to write. You have to write the types of capital. You have to write the fixed capital method, the short note, and the current account ledger and capital account ledger. Then fluctuating capital method you have to write with the theoretical part and the ledger. Then you have to prepare the trading account. All these things you have to write properly. Then we will move further. We will discuss next lecture profit and loss account and balance. तर तुम्हाला आता अजून सुद्धा टाइम आहे, बसून प्रॉपरली ते लिहून घ्या. नुसतं मी प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस शिकून गेलो, बॅलन्स शीट शिकून गेलो असं नाही. रायटिंग वर्क इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट. Writing work is also important, that you have to keep in mind. Keep watching YouTube channel. मी असं म्हणत, पण तुम्हाला जेव्हा वाटतंय अरे अडलंय,